overview of Trello's features and benefits. But before that, let us understand what is Trello. Trello is a visual project management tool that uses a simple and intuitive framework. Whether you are managing a solo project or working with a team, Trello adapts to your needs with boards, lists, and cards. So boards represent your overall projects or workflows. Lists helps you in organizing tasks into stages like to do, in progress, and done. Cards hold individual tasks, each with descriptions, due dates, attachments, checklists, and more. So why Trello? Active users, 50 million plus active users worldwide. Used by 80% of Fortune 500 companies like Google and Spotify. Productivity boost. Studies show that teams using Trello improve their productivity by 25% thanks to its visual workflows and collaboration tools. Some of the core features of Trello are like boards and lists. Boards and lists helps you in organizing your workflows visually with customizable stages. Cards add all the details for each task, including descriptions, attachments, and due dates. Checklists break down larger tasks into smaller, actionable, and manageable steps. Collaboration add team members to boards, assign tasks, and leave comments for seamless communication. Now, these features ensure everything you need is in one place. Advanced features and power-ups. So power-ups are like additional functionalities like calendar views, time tracking, and file integrations with Google Drive or Slack. Then you have automation using tools like Butler, automate repetitive tasks like moving cards or assigning due dates. Custom templates save time by creating reusable board templates for recurring workflows. With these advanced features, Trello becomes more than just a task manager. It's a complete productivity solution. So how does Trello benefits you? Ease of use. Its drag and drop interface makes task management simple for anyone. Improved collaboration. Real-time updates ensure everyone on your team stays aligned. Time savings. Trello users report saving 5 to 10 hours per week by organizing their workflows more efficiently. And scalability for small personal projects to large team initiatives. Trello grows with your needs. So who uses Trello? Students use Trello to track assignments and plan study schedules. Freelancers manage client projects, deadlines, and billing. Teams collaborate on product launches, marketing campaigns, and agile workflows. Its flexibility ensures that no matter your industry or role, Trello has a use case for you. And the AI advantage. Butler automations, automating repetitive tasks with Butler. AI integrations, tools like ChatGPT to generate task ideas or subtasks. And then app connectivity, integrate with apps via Zapier for seamless workflow connectivity. We'll explore these in more details later. But for now, know that AI can save you hours of manual effort every week. Okay, so here we come to the key takeaways. Visual interface. Trello simplifies task management with its visual interface. Core features like boards, lists, and cards adapt to any workflow. Advanced tools like power-ups and AI automation save time and improve productivity. And Trello is trusted globally for both personal and professional use. So, are you ready to explore Trello hands-on? Let's move to the next step, creating your first Trello board. Thank you for joining me in this overview of Trello's features and benefits. In our next lesson, we'll dive into the practical side and start building your first Trello board. Let's bring these features to life.